Welcome to my class on immediate integral today. We have discussed up to form 6. Today we will start our discussion on form 7. The form is integration 10 to the power mx into sec to the power twice mx. That means here where m and n are integers, it signifies that tan x may have any natural power index, but sec x must have an even index. Okay. And the other form is integration cot to the power mx into cosec to the power 2mx. Obviously, m and n are both natural numbers. Let us start our first question. Integration 10 to the power nx into sec square x. Look, if we take tan x z, then we get sec square x dx. That's why here we are taking, let tan x equal to z. That implies d tan x equals to dz. That implies sec square x dx equals to dz. So our revised integral becomes, this is tan x to the power m, so we have to write now z to the power m, and this becomes dz. So this ultimately becomes z to the power n dz. So our required integral will be 1 by n plus 1 into z to the power n plus 1 plus c. So our answer will be 1 by n plus 1 tan x to the power n plus 1 plus c, or you can write it in this way also. Plus c. Okay. Next question. Number 2. Integration tan square x sec to the power 4x. Look here, sec square x is required for dz. So there remains another sec square x. So let us write in this way. Tan square x into sec square x into sec square x dx. Now you have to shift this sec square x to tan x. We can write in this way. Tan square x into 1 plus tan square x into sec square x dx. Now let tan x equals to z. So we get sec square x dx equals to dz. So our integral becomes z square into 1 plus z square, and this becomes dz. So we can write it as z to the power 4 plus z square dz. So we get 1 by 5 z to the power 5, 1 by 3 z3 plus c. So our answer becomes 1 by 5 tan x to the power 5 plus 1 by 3 tan x cube plus c. This will be our answer. Next question. Number 3, integration sec to the power 4x dx. That is n equals to 0 here. There is no tan x and n is 2 here. Now let us write this first in this way. Sec square x into sec square x dx. Keep this for dz. Now shift this sec square x to tan x. You can write 1 plus tan square x into sec square x dx. Now let tan x equals z. So you get sec square x dx equals to dz. 1 plus z square dz. So after integration you get z plus 1/3 z cube plus c. So your answer will be tan x plus 1/3 tan cube x plus. This will be your answer. Next question. Number 4. Integration cot square x into cosec to the power 4x dx. Compare with this. Here m is 2, n is 2. Okay. Our approach will be similar. Write cot square x. Split this cosec to the power 4x into 2 cosec square x. Yes. Keep this for dz. Now shift this to cot x. How do we get this? We get cot square x into 1 plus cot square x into cosec square x dx. Now let cot x equals to z. Now d of cot x is minus cosec square x dx dz. So cosec square x dx will be minus dz. So I am writing minus outside the integral sign. This will be z square. This is 1 plus z square and now that dz. Minus dz, that minus sign is kept outside the integral sign. Z square plus z to the power 4 dz. So after integration you get 1/3 z cube 1/5 z to the power 5 plus c. Now just put cot x instead of z. You get 1/3 cot cube x plus 1/5 cot to the power 5x plus c. This will be your answer. Number 5. Integration cosec to the power 4x dx. That means m is 0 here and n is 2 here. Write this cosec to the power 4x in cosec square x into cosec square x. Cosec square x into cosec square x dx. Now write this cosec square x into cot x. So you get 1 plus cot square x into cosec square x dx. Now let cot x equals to z. So you get minus cosec square x dx equals to dz. So you get minus 1 plus z square dz. So your answer will be z plus 1/3 z cube plus c. Your final answer will be minus cot x plus 1/3 cot cube x plus c. This is your final answer. Next question. Number 6. Integration 10 to the power 8x into sec to the power 4x. I am keeping this as your homework. Like previous cases, split this sec to the power 4x into sec square x. So you will get tan to the power 8x into 1 plus tan square x into sec square x dx. Next put tan x equals it. And your answer will be 1 by 9 tan to the power 9x plus 1 by 11 tan to the power 11 plus this will be your answer. Next, number 7, integration. Let us write this as whole number because sometimes m and n become 0. Integration 10 to the power 4x. Look, here m is 4, n is 0. Then how do you solve this? Write in this way. Split this. Tan square x into tan square x dx. Next step. Keep tan square x unchanged. Change this. You can write this as sec square x minus 1 dx. Then you can write into two integrals in this way. Tan square x sec square x dx minus integration tan square x dx. Okay. Next, look, I am writing this sec square x dx in this way. Integration tan square x d of tan x. That is, without taking tan x equals z, I am writing this as d tan x. Okay, that is, this is equivalent to integration z square to z. Next, integration. How do you solve this? Now, tan square x can be written as sec square x minus 1 dx. Now I am writing here. Look, this is equivalent to integration z square dz. So your answer is 1/3 z cube. So you have to write here 1/3 tan cube x. Then here minus integration of sec square x is tan x and integration of 1 is x plus c. So finally you can write your answer in this way. This is your answer. 1/3 tan cube x minus tan x plus x plus c. Next question. Integration cot to the power 4x. Number 8. Yes. So I am keeping this as your homework. Process will be similar. First split this cot to the power 4x in cot square x into cot square x. Then split the second cot square x into cosec square x minus 1. Then split into two integrals, and in the similar process you will get your result. The result will be minus 1/3 cot cube x plus cot x plus x plus c. Similar. Next question. This will also be kept as homework. Integration tan cube x into sec square x dx. Just take tan x equals z, you will get your result. Or you can write this as d of tan x. So your answer will be 1 by 4 tan to the power 4x plus c. Next, Number 10. This is also your homework. This is also very easy problem. Integration 10x into sec to the power 4x dx. Sec to the power 4x dx. Look, keep this 10x unchanged. Split this sec to the power 4x into 2 sec square x. Keep the second sec square x dx unchanged because that becomes d tan x. And the first sec square x split it into 1 plus tan square x. Then you can put tan x equals z, or you can write d tan x. In a simple way you can get your answer. Your answer will be half tan square x plus 1 by 4 tan to the power 4x plus c. Number 11, let me do this for you. 10 to the power 5x into sec to the power 4x dx. Keep this 10 to the power 5x unchanged. Split into 2 sec square x. The first sec square x I am writing 1 plus tan square x, and this sec square x remains unchanged. Now you can write in this way. Push this within the bracket, you get 10 to the power 5x plus 10 to the power 7x, and now I am writing this as d of tan x. Okay. Now this is equivalent to this integration z to the power 5 plus z to the power 7 dz. Okay. So your answer will be 1 by 6 tan to the power 6x 1 by 8 tan to the power 8x plus. If you feel uncomfortable in this way, then you can just put tan x equals z, you will get this form and you can get your answer. Next, number 12. Integration tan x sec to the power 6x. Similar way, I am writing tan x unchanged, split it into sec to the power 4 into sec square. That sec to the power 4 can be written as 1 plus tan square x whole square. Then I am writing sec square x dx. Now at this step you can take tan x equals z, but I am not taking tan x equals z. To do my steps short, I am pushing this tan x within the bracket. We get tan x. Oh no. I am doing mistake here. Get 1 plus 2 tan square x plus tan to the power 4x. This is d of tan x. So we get tan x plus 2 tan cube x plus tan to the power 5x d of tan x. Now this is equivalent to z plus 2z cube plus z to the power 5 dz. So your answer will be half z square, that is tan square x. 2 by 3, 2 by 4. This will become 2 by 4 tan to the power 4x. This is 1 by 6 tan to the power 6x plus. Just cancel this, you will get your answer. Okay. This is answer. Okay, let me shift this into some other form. Let me take common 1 by 6 tan square x. You get 3 from here, you get 3 tan square x from here, you get tan to the power 4x from here. Next, let us use this. One by 6 tan square x. If we take 3 common, this becomes 3 sec square x. This is tan to the power 4x. Tan to the power 4 means sec square x minus 1 its whole square. Tan square x, sec square x, sec to the power 4x minus 2 sec square x plus 1. Now I can write in this way. Look. 1 by 6, this tan square x is actually sec square x minus 1. Then I am writing this. This is sec square x whole square. These two become sec square x. So sec square x into 1 plus 1 square. Look, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is aq minus bq. Oh, I am not writing. This is c dash. So your answer will be 1 by 6 sec to the power 6x minus 1 plus c dash. So your final answer will be 1 by 6 sec to the power 6x plus c dash minus 1 by 6. So ultimately your answer becomes 1 by 6 sec to the power 6x plus. Okay. But this answer is correct. I am just showing you that this can also be this answer. So let us have a break. I am coming shortly after the break. Hope you all will be with us. Okay.